have difficulty breathing or have a lung condition? Does anyone in your family have breathing problems? Do you know someone, maybe a close friend, that has chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD? If you or someone you know are experiencing problems with normal breathing, then you're probably familiar with the standard protocol prescribed by physicians and lung specialists. The normal course of treatment for lung conditions in Western medicine is the use of pharmaceutical drugs that can be dangerous and often present unwanted side effects. What if we told you there's a natural holistic method that can help you breathe better without the use of pharmaceutical prescription drugs? What if we told you that hundreds of people are using this method today with amazing positive results? The product is called VMEDS Lung Cleansing Therapy. Ike Benoon, the man responsible for discovering this new method of delivering therapeutic, natural holistic formulas to the deepest regions of the lungs, smoked cigarettes for over 40 years. The many decades of smoking finally caught up with him, and he started to develop difficulty with his breathing and respiratory problems. Concerned about his deteriorating health, he made an appointment with his doctor for a complete checkup. After all the test results were in, his doctor said, "Ike, if you do not stop smoking immediately and begin a regimen of treatment, you may not be around much longer." The idea of giving up cigarettes was going to be difficult. However, the thought of using dangerous drugs to help his condition was not an option. Ike began looking for an alternative solution. A friend suggested using an e-cigarette with liquid nicotine to reduce his dependency on cigarettes. During a visit to his local vape shop, the owner suggested using liquid menthol to soothe his throat and lungs while trying to eliminate his need for cigarettes. Ike was amazed with the way the menthol felt in his throat and lungs, and this was his eureka moment. That imaginary light bulb above his head lit up, and he was on his way to inventing VMEDS. He knew that this was the answer to getting therapeutic-grade natural holistic supplements into the bloodstream. Using only his own money, he recruited several lung specialists and a PhD in pharmacology to develop a natural holistic lung cleansing solution that could be delivered into the lungs using e-cigarette technology. Well, after a year of research and development, the first formula was ready for testing. The results were a success for the solution, but the e-cigarette hardware was not performing as expected. Ike then began working with several e-cigarette manufacturers to develop a custom device that would eliminate the need to use a coil and wick for heating the solution. After several prototypes, he found the hardware that would deliver the results he was looking for. The final hardware was no longer an e-cigarette. It had become a battery-operated, personal handheld steamer, and VMEDS Nano Mist was born. Our VMEDS lung cleanser has helped people suffering from allergies, COPD, bronchitis, asthma, colds, and other lung conditions. Although there is no cure for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, treatment can help slow the progression of the condition, reduce the symptoms, and provide relief for people suffering from COPD. We have testimonials from individuals with COPD that claim our lung cleanser works better than their corticosteroid inhalers, and many are no longer using their inhaler. However, we urge you to discuss our natural holistic option with your physician before discontinuing any treatment recommended by your doctor.